Hi friends, this video shows how to manually pair remote controller. First let me go to settings, go down, select remotes and accessories. Here you can see Google TV remote. First I am going to unpair this remote. Select Google TV remote, select forget, select yes, done. See, now I have removed that remote. After this remote will not work. See, I am not able to pair this remote again. I will show you how we can manually pair this remote. Here you can see one reset button on this device. We need to press and hold this reset button until we see searching for accessories. Let me press and hold this reset button. See, now we can see searching for accessories. At this point we can release the button. Then take remote. We need to put this remote into pairing mode. For that we can press and hold this back button and home button together. Let me press and hold this back button and home button together until we see this light here, LED light. This light is flashing. Now we can release the button. Then please wait. See, now you can see Google TV remote there on the right side. So please wait, it will pair. If this is not pairing, you can again press this power button to select that device. See, now it's pairing. Okay, done, paired. See, now this remote is working. See, so this way we can manually pair this remote. We can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.